The house, known as Haven, is located in close proximity to the Vytila junction in Cochin India. This is an area renowned for its bustling activity and high population density. The peculiar shape of the plot, which tapers towards the front and widens towards the rear, coupled with the closely knit surroundings, presented a formidable obstacle in creating areas that were spacious, well-ventilated, and illuminated by natural light, all while maintaining a sense of seclusion. The aforementioned accomplishment was attained through a meticulous articulation of the design, intentionally maintaining a flexible approach and incorporating extensive open spaces and courtyards to offset the limited access to the outdoors. The courtyards serve as a means of linking the primary living areas and contribute to establishing an unobstructed atmosphere, replete with natural illumination and verdure, notwithstanding the introverted layout. Furthermore, after a thorough analysis of the sun's trajectory across the premises, skylights were installed above the central courtyard, resulting in a dynamic interplay of light within. The house incorporates a continuous visual connection running from the entrance sit-out to the intimate veranda in the back, promoting air circulation and ensuring privacy from neighboring residences by minimizing openings on the north and south sides. The use of concrete flat slabs in the open terraces enhances the horizontal design of the house and provides versatile spaces. The house displays a unique charm with its warm color scheme. The use of rat trap bond in the brick masonry not only reduces heat but also saves costs. The materials used, such as Coda stone, reclaimed wood, exposed concrete, and brick, create a rustic yet elegant atmosphere. Well-placed customized mild steel grills provide visual privacy in specific areas.